Meet the powerhouse, the realme NARZO 90x 5G. You demand more power, and we built the solution. Experience the biggest battery with a 7,000 mAh capacity. This Titan battery lasts 2 days, allows 17 hours of navigation, and 61 hours of calling. Enjoy the fastest charging with 60W SuperVOOC charge. The battery fills quickly, and the box includes an 80W charger. The MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chip drives fast performance. See ultra-smooth vision on the 6.8-inch HD Plus display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The screen refreshes 144 times per second, ensuring you scroll without lag, and reaches 1200 nits peak brightness. Take sharper shots every time with the 50 megapixels Sony AI camera. The Sony sensor captures sharp light and eliminates flicker, helping you take perfect photos. Use the AI Edit Genie, a smart AI eraser and editor. The AI removes unwanted objects and adds creative details, letting you edit photos instantly. Be smart for every moment with the AI Outdoor mode. It boosts performance, brightness, network, and volume. The phone adapts to your environment and delivers 400% volume. Benefit from smarter protection with IP65, dust and water resistance, and ArmorShell. The phone resists water splashes, and the ArmorShell protects against drops. You can safely carry the phone anywhere. Discover the exclusive new vibrant red edition color. The design turns heads. The profile stays slim at 8.28 millimeters, and the weight remains balanced at 212 grams. The realme NARZO 90x 5G is the people's choice, with a bestseller status of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 11,000 buyers. Users praise the massive battery and fast 144Hz screen. Choose your power in this Amazon special launch. Models include 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM, all with 128GB storage. You can expand storage up to 2 TB. Pick your perfect model and buy it today.